job calling the nose. This one was a busy one.
Yeah, it was.
That was a faster pace. I could push a little. There was good grip in some places. Woo!
Good tires on this side.
Thank you.
That was
All wheels still on is good.
And they're all kind of straight.
All right, then I'll take that. There were some big rocks out there.
Oh yeah.
Holy crap.
Oliver was off on the water. You see that?
Yeah, that water was hard going so slow into it.
Yeah.
It just bogged down and you couldn't. I was basically floating on top of it. Thank you.
Yeah.
Have a good one.
That was what happened is the wheels were just spinning them, so I think maybe traction control or something was happening. It was like it literally was just moving rocks, but it couldn't barely move. Is it a short or long? This is a very short drive. Ah. All right, great job, dude. Oh shit! What was my time? Yeah, that was a good time. If Tim beat that, that's good. Good on him. I was pushing. It gets really squirrely. So you know what happens, especially running this far off the path, this far high on the path. If you think about it, every car in front of us except Leah has a wider track than us. So when we're on those straights, I'm in between their tracks. It's like, you see how in my, like I grab this, the dirty from one side, I grab the dirty from the other side, and things like that. And so it just gets very squirrely. Man, this car is feeling solid. It's feeling really good. I really like it. It's much less wheel spin. I can control it a lot more, but you know, that was probably very good. That's probably, that was 80 or 80 was between 80 and 90%, which is where we want to race at.
Yeah, that was pretty solid.
We don't want to be racing at 100% all the time. This one was technical, tight and technical, right?
So, yes. Yeah, so technically we don't even start transit for another minute and a half.
And the transit is how
Put
long?
a rock behind the wheel.
I think we'll need it, let's see. Put it just in case.
Yeah.
Because it may roll in a bit. Shit, we got water inside. My feet are all wet. Let's do some quick math.
Alright.
You already have your time?
Yeah.
Ready for me to double check?
Okay, so you ready?
Confirm. Okay.
So-
Oh wait, turn that off.
Yeah.